Hey guys, welcome to your third Visual Basic programming tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to be going over user input. To begin, press File, New, Project. Type VB Lesson 3. To begin, let's go down to our main method. We're going to type dim message as, and a new data type for us, string. This is essentially a paragraph, so it's a sentence. It could be a paragraph, but it's a sentence. So we can say console.write, enter your message. So we've displayed text to the screen that says enter your message, and now we're going to give this console the message. So we're going to set message equal to console.readLine. The read line is very important because that's how you get strings. Next is going to say we're going to give ourselves a space, give ourselves a console.writeLine. And then we're going to say console.writeLine and say your message, and then we're going to give it a variable, the curly bracket 0, comma, message. Console.readLine. This allows our program to wait for us. Actually, we'll make it a little bit nicer and say console.writeLine. Press enter to continue. Save, and let's run our program. My message is going to be, my name is Emily. It tells me my message, and then we end it. This could be very useful for when we can combine our data types. So let's say dim height as integer. Let's say what is your name? This variable isn't very appropriately named for message, but we can ignore that for now, because underneath .writeLine, we're going to say how tall are you in inches? Then we're going to set height equal to console.readLine. Now, once we have that variable, we're going to say height. Oh, we have to declare ourselves another variable. Height in inches as integer. And then let's compute this. Height in inches equals, and then we're going to say height divided by 12. We're going to say hello. Message is now going to be equal to their name. You are its height in feet. My bad, guys. I just want to be appropriate. Alright. Give yourself a curly bracket, give yourself a 1. Inches tall. That makes you, and then we're going to give a curly bracket 3 feet tall. Now what we're going to do, oh, that's supposed to be a 2, not a 3, is message, and then we're going to type height, and then we're going to type height in feet. Alright, let's press the green go button. My name is Emily. I am a pathetic 65 inches tall. I am 5'5", well, and a half, but that would make us have to change our variables from an integer to a double, and I'm way too lazy to do that. Okay, so now it says, hello, my name, and then it's our inches and our height in inches, and then our height in feet. Alright, guys. See how that works? Actually, it would be more appropriate if we did declare this as a double. So change both of these integers into doubles. Let's hit the green go. My name is Emily, and I am 5'5", and I am... That is coming out weird, because I'm not casting it. We can take a variable of one data type and change it to be another. So dim in as integer, then dim da as date, dim bl as boolean, and we're going to set that equal to true. N is going to equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and da is going to equal today. We're going to say console dot write line is going to be BL, console dot write line, and we're going to say CS byte, then we're going to put BL inside of that. Say console dot write line, and this is called a cast, and what it's doing is we're taking the BL data type and changing it to be another data type. So we're taking this, and now we're going to cast it to a string. So how we're going to do that is CS str BL, and now it went from just being a normal data type to being a byte to being a string, and now we're going to convert console dot write line. Make sure that says str CSTR. So now we're going to say CCHR, CCHR, CSTR, then put the N. Basically, we're just putting a bunch of cast on this to see where it ends. Now we're going to write console dot write line CC. We'll group the chars together. How about that, guys? CCR CTR DA console dot read key. Now changing it up. Alright, we ended the sub, and then we ended the module. Alright. Initially, the Boolean is equal to true. So it's shown here. And then it's taken to a byte, and then it is taken to a string, again, the same as a Boolean, because a Boolean is either true or false, and these are how we perform cast. We now have the right line available. We have the Boolean being converted to a string, and then a char again, and then a string and a char again. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial, where we're going to be working with more data types. I'll see you then.